show it's our opponent. That other coach scared, man, he really don't want it. Oh yeah, we want that title, nothing less than that Lombardi. Cause everybody know that ATL